There's been a new update on the Maven app. It's the 3.16.6. Yes, got that right. And what it is now with the Maven app, and I've got the iOS phone, you can do photogrammetry. I can't say that word. I'll just stick it there. But also what we'll be showing you in this video, guys, I'll be showing you the Maven route. That's very similar to the Litchi mission, so you can go on to use your computer so you can do all your mapping before you go out. And I'm going to be showing you how to do the mapping setup. I'm not going to go too much into all the settings, guys, because I've done previous videos on that. I just wanted to show you what you can do now, and I'm going to be using my Mini 2, which is an amazing drone. It's an old drone, but you can do that with this type of drone. I've got my RCM one, I've got my iOS phone, I've got everything up to date. What you got to do, guys, when you're using a third-party app, you still use your DJI Fly app. You make sure that everything's up to date. Obviously with the Mini 2, they stopped doing updates, but it's always best to check everything to make sure it's connected to your controller. Once that's all been done, then go over to the Maven app, open it up. I'm going to show you the next stage of this, and that's doing the Maven route, and we're going to show you to do how you do your mapping. So just a quick one, guys, before I start the video. This year, September, we got the Drone Seekers International Drone Meetup, and it's here in Spain. It's in the Murcia region, which is the southeast of Spain. It's for 3 days. It's the 26th, the 27th and the 28th of September of this year. So be there. Guys, don't contact me. I'm just passing on the info. I will put an email address below this. Also, there's a special edition t-shirt just for the meetup as well. Check that out. But yeah, Drone Seekers International Spain meetup for 2025. And we got people coming from Europe, Spain, obviously, UK, and the good old USA. So anyway, let's get on with the video. This is Maven route. This is something really new from Maven. Now at the moment it's still in beta form, so just bear with it. When you first click on it, it's going to take a little while to load up. Once it's loaded up, I'm not going to show you today, guys, how you work this, but you get the idea. What I've done, I've put in the location that I want to map. Here it is. It's an old ball ring. Now, I've never been here, guys, so this is going to be really interesting. So if we go over to new missions, which is there, and there it is, photogrammetry. I'm not very good at these words, but you're going to have to bear with it. So here it is all the information here on the right-hand side. I'll just scroll it down as well. I've only got to move my screen and it goes with it. So just bear with me. So the first thing we need to do is set up a home point. So we go over to here, here's the home point. Right, so I presume, looking at it, this is going to be like the car parking area. So I'm going to set up my home point there. So that's my first home point. And then I want to map this ball ring. So, there we are. That's it. One click. Now over here on the right hand side, I don't want to make it too technical, guys. I just want to show you what you can do. If you're into all this stuff, it's probably going to come to you more easy. And if I just scroll gently before I lose it all, it tells you what the camera is going to be. Now my camera is a Mini 2. Now the resolution, I know it ain't 40, it's going to be 12 megapixel. And if I want to add a waypoint at the home position, I can. I'm not going to do that. I just want to show you just the basics of doing this, because the next thing I want to do is go out there and see if it works. And we got fast transfer. We got all the speed. I'm going at 9 miles per hour. And when it's finished, it will return to home. If it loses signals, it's going to return to home as well. I've got altitude. Now, obviously, another thing I will check when I get there because I got 164 feet. I will check. I wouldn't have thought pylons are that high, but I will check for those things when I get on that location. So, how do you save it? So here it is here. We got export to Maven Share. Now this is something else new from Maven, and that's called the export share, which I'm going to do now. So I'll click on that. It's going to come up with a number. Now that number you need to write down. So make a note of the number, because you're going to need that in a minute, because when you open up your Maven app, so that's done. So all this is done now. Right, I'm just going to scroll out of that. Right, so we go on to the next stage. So now I'm on my phone. So guys, what you do now, you open up your Maven app. You don't need to have your drone on any of this, because you can do all this at home. So what we do now, we go into waypoints and new mission. Okay, and there on the screen there will tell you what you want to do. And we're going to do the Maven Share, because what it's done is gone into the cloud. So we click on that. We then put in the number that we've saved on our mission. This is the thing I love about all this. It just makes things so much more simpler. So that's the number. It's downloading. It's giving me all the information. So there's a location where we're going to fly. It's going to do the mapping. That's it. And if I'm, obviously I can't do it now. But you can see this little black square there. That's where the picture of the drone would be. And obviously up the top here, if you want to fly, we don't want to fly, obviously, because we're not there ready. But that gives you an idea. So, the next stage. Now, the next stage will be out on location. Okay, because I haven't finished yet. I want to go into editing. Which is that one? Edit. I want to give it a name. Okay. So, I'm going to call this the ball ring, because it is. Okay. Ball ring, okay. Everything else is done. So I want to save that, come out of that. So there it is. It's called the ball ring. Let's get going. So I've just turned on the Mini 2. Before I turned on the Mini 2, I had a quick look around. There's no obstacles. There are some pylons behind me, but they're well behind me and they're pretty low. And in this mission, we're going quite high. Turn on the RCM1 controller. Now, usually it goes straight into the DJI Go app, which you just saw. That doesn't matter, guys. You can go straight into your Maven. Now, already on the picture there, it's got the Mini 2. And we don't need to tap on that. We want to go into waypoints. And if you remember what I'd done the ball ring. So we tap on that. This is for the mapping, don't forget. It's gone straight in, it's all ready. We've got the picture on the screen, so we know that the drone and this are bonded to each other. We press the rocket. It says, do you want to start? We say yes. Press it again. And what it's going to do, it's going to go up. Remember, I set a waypoint first. So go up to that waypoint. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you what's going on the screen, where the drone's going. Now at the moment, you can't really see the picture of the drone, because it's coming over now. It's just coming over 64, I believe, yes. So it's setting up in its first position, and I should be able to hear the first photograph taken. Yeah. See if you can hear that. So this is going to be, I think, it's got on there 5 minutes 15. I've also checked the UAV weather report. Even though it looks really cloudy, it looks a bit stormy to me, but it's saying it's fine, it's good to fly. The only thing it's going on about is going to be really hot. And I can quite agree with that. Now, I've never been to this location before, guys. And that's pretty amazing that I can sit down behind my computer, set all this up. But like I said before, always take note that when you get to a new location, if you haven't been there before, make sure there's going to be no problems. I'm on about tall trees, buildings, things like that. Now, obviously, when you're looking at the Google map, you should pick out trees and tall 50%. Buildings. But obviously, pylons is a little bit different, or especially telegraph poles. But we're up pretty high. It's already doing its second lap. It's going up to number 4 now. And telling me the distance at the top there. You can see the speed it's going. It's just turning on its next 3rd row now. It's just sorting itself out. What I'll do, because you don't want to be sat here for 5 minutes, what I'm going to do, I am going to speed up the process, and then when it's nearly finished, we'll have a quick chat at the end of it. So I hope you enjoyed that. This was a bit of an introduction back into the Maven app. Now, this is not the Maven Evo, this is the Maven app, guys. Don't get mixed up, because obviously I've been using the Mini 2, and obviously you can use much older drones as well. What I love about this, he's just done an update. Now, I did a test a couple of weeks ago, and for some reason it stopped halfway through the mapping thing. I contacted him. He got back to me straight away. He's a busy man. He's resolved that. He's updated it. That's what I like. Now, unfortunately, with the Litchi, that's not the case. If I get a problem with the Litchi, and with the latest one, I've had a major problem. But trying to contact Litchi by email is just a waste of time. But Maven, that's what I love about Maven. So today, a lot to take in, I think. There was an update first. Then I showed you the Maven route. Now, with the Maven route, guys, it's still in beta form, so just persevere with it. It does take a little bit of getting used to, but if you want me to do a video on how to use the Maven route, please do. The other great thing is this, what I call in the cloud. Once you've done your mission on the map, you can put it onto the Maven Share. You get a code, and that goes on all your devices, what you saved it in. Now, I've got my iOS. Now, obviously, I think that would still work even if you had an Android device. So that's another good thing. But I'm not swearing on that. But that's what I like. It's straight on the phone. I've come out to this location, never been here in my life. I was hoping it would be a lot more sunnier than this. But hey-oh. Right, what I'm not going to do, guys, I'm not going to carry on to show you the mapping side of it. There's so many different sorts of software out there. Some give you a free option. Most of them are quite dumbed down. It didn't look that good. You know, at the end of the day, if you're into mapping, then this is a brilliant aid. For those who are interested in doing mapping, check it out. So, hope you enjoyed that. Give it a thumbs up. Better still, subscribe to my channel, because a lot of you are not. And as always, there's going to be another video coming very soon.